Hello guys, Brian back with an Algorand ALGO token update. First thing I want to say is I'm going to show you some things. You know, when people get complacent in this market is when it really rips. Okay, when people turn their heads and look away and say, "Oh, geez, you know, another red day. Things just aren't looking that great." That's when this market just turns and starts tearing. It's a fact. You know, this market works on human emotions, and that's the way the crypto market goes. You know, I wouldn't be throwing myself out here like this if I didn't truly believe that there is something big coming. Okay, we are down 1.82% as I make this video at 20.5 cents. All right, I'm going to show you a few things first. Then I'm going to read you an awesome article, and we're going to dig into this chart. And I'm going to show you why I truly believe that we have a big move coming here. Okay, number one, let me put Bitcoin on here a second. Okay, a lot of people, you know, especially new people to the market, you have to understand that Bitcoin moves this market. You know, when Bitcoin makes a move, that's the big crypto we have. Okay, that's the biggest part of the market share. When Bitcoin's ripping, that's what brings buyers in. Okay, they spend their money, and then that bleeds into the cryptocurrencies, the others, you know, the altcoins. We had a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders form on Bitcoin. Okay, the 12-hour RSI on Bitcoin, let me pull this up so you can see this thing. That 12-hour RSI is just about reset down at that bottom. Okay, let's look at the 8. The 8 is about reset at the bottom. The 4 is reset at the bottom. Okay, if you see these things, they are right down there at the bottom of the screen. Okay, when these things reset, all of them at the same time, you can expect a big move out of this market. Okay, a lot of you know, digging into the technical analysis is the part that sometimes gives traders a little edge. You know what I mean, as far as seeing what's coming, and as far as that goes, you know, and as far as price movement, and you can see the volume here picking up. I mean, these green bars are obviously bigger than these green bars. Okay, you can see volume coming in this market. You know, it might be quiet volume, might be the big guys stacking up. There's a move coming. Okay, I believe within the next 24 hours, we're going to have a pop in this market. It's going to catch everybody by surprise. I truly believe that. Algorand, okay? I'm going to save this for a second, okay? If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here every day. Going to do that 188 giveaway next week, and all you have to do to enter is hit the subscribe. That's it. So we would love to have you here. Have a fantastic group of people in here, and we want to build something positive, you know, to cover, you know, 10 to 15 different coins. You know, not everybody holds one crypto, and I don't, and I'm sure you don't probably. You know, unless you're just getting into the market, you'll expand your wings into different cryptos, and you know, maybe you're interested in some of the ones I cover. You know, maybe watch a video or two on them. Might get you interested in a few other cryptos, but real exciting market to be in. You know, the last bull run was crazy. You know, that's what really got me hooked on crypto. When you see the 50x's, the 1000x's, I mean, it can be totally crazy. Okay, but I'm not giving you financial advice. Please seek somebody qualified to do that. I'm only showing you the charts and what I believe is going on in the market. So please do not invest your money because I say something. Go and dig a little deeper. Do your own research on stuff. You know, there's a lot of exciting crypto projects out there today. But here we go. Sorry for rambling, guys. Cryptocurrency innovators set to transform the market with Algorand, Solana, Polygon, and Orbium Protocol. We are here for algos. We're going to go right to it. Algorand is an open source decentralized network with two-layer design that allows for effective decentralization, scalability, and security cohabitation. Algorand employees a novel pure proof of stake consensus that does not need input or miners. As a result, Algo is more energy efficient and does not need expensive hardware to operate. Algorand is one of the trendiest currencies for 2023 because Algo focuses mainly on sustainability and provides a novel approach to DeFi. Experts and investors are particularly enthusiastic about Algorand as the token has risen about 6% in the last 24 hours. This was written, let's go back up to the top here, March 24th, yesterday. Okay, then it goes over Solana, great project, Polygon, fantastic. Don't know much about Orbium Protocol. Looks like a new project, and yeah, pre-sale. So I don't know if you want to read up about it or not, but this is on Analytics Insight. So here's your crypto bubbles. It's your top 100. Not a whole lot of green. You know, you're having a red day in the market. You'll have this. You know, like I said, that's what causes complacency. You know, it's just the way it works. You know, if it was easy to make money in the stock market and the crypto market, then everybody would be rich. That's for sure. You know, people see opportunity in red. You know, they always say the big saying in this market is buy the red, sell the green. You know, buy red, sell green. You know, if you can get that in your head, just a little tip from me to you. You know, might work out for you. You know, no guarantees in anything, but that's a good foundation to have. Buy red, sell green. Buy red, sell green. Here's your fear and greed index. Market cap's about flat. Volume is down 22% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance has dropped about 0.5%. And the crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 64 in the greed. We're up 3 notches from yesterday. Here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers from CoinMarketCap. You can see Flare Network up there. Arbitrum, that was an airdrop. We were wondering the other day why it was down 90%. It was an airdrop. As soon as people got the airdrop, they ran to sell it. And it's sad, but that's the way them airdrops kind of work. You know, people want to cash in their money. So same thing happened with Flare Network. It's good to see it back up there. They're tied in with XRP. They're on the you know, the same chain as XRP. They launched on the XRP network, so good to see them bounce back. Here's your most visited coins and your recently added. I wish I could get that off there because I don't like promoting recently added stuff. You know, just do your own research, please. It's too easy for you know, the kid next door up in his bedroom to you know, come up with a cryptocurrency and launch it, and a little bit of code writing and all that, and you can launch a crypto. That I don't like that about the market. I wish we could get rid of that stuff. So maybe some outside guidance with that stuff would really help out. So let's get into this algo chart. Okay, we've been going sideways here the last few days. Not a whole lot to say as far as the price, but the indicators are what's giving us, you know, a look here. Okay, so we can see that the 12-hour RSI right down there is right about flat at the bottom. That is the 8. I'm sorry. Here is your 12. Look where it's at, down at the bottom. The 4 down at the bottom. The 1 is probably coming down. Yeah, it's almost there. So I'm expecting within the next 24 hours, you know, if not the next 12 hours, we're going to get a pop out of this market. You know, Bitcoin is coiling up. That's the one that leads the market. It's kind of crazy how it works, but if Bitcoin flies up 8%, all the other cryptos are coming up with it. It just drags everything with it. I don't know why. It's the way it is with the crypto market. You know, been here 4.5 years, and that's just the way it goes. The thing just acts like that. It pulls everything up with it. You know, like I said, it brings the money in. So we can see here that Algo has been ranging the last few days. These RSIs have been dropping, and now we are setting up. Look at that volume spike that came in there, that big green spike. It's bigger than any of the other ones back through there. So did a big whale come in and buy it up here when we got down to this range low? I don't know. It's hard to say. You know, you can see we have as far as the 12-hour, we're still trying to find a bottom here. Let's put it on the 4. Okay, let's put a Fibonacci on here and see You know, it hasn't really dropped that much. It really has. It's ranging, you know. Let's put a fib on here. High, swing high to swing low. Let's get up there. Sorry about that. Get to the top. Yeah, we're right about at the 702. Just a normal pullback. That 702 is a good spot to bounce. We bounced from it right there, and we're almost at it now. It could come down to the 786. You know, it did over here before we got that bounce. You know, so just because a coin is pulling back means nothing. You know, picture pulling a rubber band back to shoot off. You know, coiling up. That's exactly what's going on here. So I have perfect confidence that we are going to have a move in this market within the next 24 hours. I will be back tomorrow putting a video out, so please hit that subscribe button. I will be watching these charts like a hawk. You can guarantee that. And I will get a video out tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it.